Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm over at Marcus's place and working on his 2014 Chevy Cruze Eco. So he's had some Stabilitrak issues and his radio keeps flashing in and out. As far as the Stabilitrak issue goes, I was reading online and everything points to the negative battery cable that you should replace first, since GM has that issue. So we got a new GM negative battery cable that we're going to replace. It's pretty simple. Hopefully this can fix your issue as well. Yeah, so let's jump right into this. All right guys, so we're going to replace this negative battery cable. So it's a 10mm bolt here, and if you follow the wire, not the hose, the wire that goes right down here, you're going to see it meet up on this 10mm bolt. We're going to take that off here, and then we're just going to fish this out and put the new one in. Take that off. Get this a little bit looser. Just pop right off. And then if you look down here, just take that off there, and then just kind of bend the cable down. It's just fixed in that same position that it's been in for over the years. There we go. Got that out. And then we can fish the new one down here. It's actually a lot easier to put in. We want to make sure that it bends. You'll see that there's a L on this bracket. I'll show you. See how it's shaped like that? You want this flat side facing the body. If it wants to cooperate with you. There we go. Put that all the way down. That old one on there. We install the nut. That's done. And then now we can throw that on there. And actually, this needs a screw. So we're gonna have to probably pick up a screw. Huh. All right, that they won't allow that. Okay. All right, we got that pretty secured. We just need to go get, I think it's an M6 bolt. I don't know why they didn't supply that with it. That way we can connect this all off together. No, it's a stud. It's like built in there.
Good.
So that's great. But I'll be back whenever we get a different bolt for that. Hey guys, this is Sloth King from the future, and I just wanted to update you on that bolt for the negative battery cable. So it is M6 by 1.0. You can get either just a bolt or a bolt and a nut to go with it. I believe the factory nut will actually fit on that. So I thought I had the footage of me like just putting that together and showing you the packet, but I picked it up at I found a bolt at Advanced Auto. I couldn't find one at Lowe's or Home Depot at all. So for these, you would have to go to the auto parts store to pick them up. So I figured I'd just update you guys right here, and here we go going into the outro. So Marcus is going to keep me updated on if he has any more Stabilitrak issues, because we did replace that negative battery cable. I'll update you in the description, or actually just right up here on the screen, if he has any more issues or if that like fixed it. If you guys like this video and you found it helpful, go ahead, leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these. I'll catch you on the next ride.